Welcome to your video. Here we will give you how to make fried egg noodles. First, prepare the ingredients: instant noodles, eggs, and mustard greens. First, open the instant noodles and remove the seasoning. Two, pour the marinade onto a plate. Three, pour enough water into the pot and heat it. Four, while waiting for the heat, we wash the mustard green fish. After that, cut into small pieces. After the water is hot, add noodles and mustard greens. Wait for a few minutes. Six, while waiting for us, while making the fried eggs freeze. Seven, after the noodles are cooked, drain fish. Put it on a plate that has been seasoned. Eight, stir the noodles until evenly distributed with the spatula. And don't forget the crunch. 9. Put the eggs that have been fried. And yes, fried egg noodles are ready to be served. Thank you.